Are you on a ketogenic diet and noticing your triglyceride levels spiking? You're not alone. Many people dive into the keto diet to improve their health, but instead, they are shocked to see their triglyceride and cholesterol levels going in the wrong direction. What if I told you that the foods you're eating on keto might be the reason why triglyceride levels rise in keto diet? Stay tuned, because we're uncovering the surprising truth and, more importantly, how to reduce triglyceride levels fast. The ketogenic diet is celebrated for its ability to burn fat and improve metabolic health, but it's not without its challenges. One of the most alarming issues is why triglyceride levels rise in keto diet for some people. Triglycerides, a type of fat in your blood, are crucial for energy, but high levels can lead to serious health risks. So, how to reduce triglyceride level in blood naturally while staying in ketosis? Today, we're exploring what causes this spike, how it's linked to your triglyceride and cholesterol level, and most importantly, how to fix it. And here's a hint. The solution isn't what you think. Stick around to the end to uncover a game-changing strategy that can improve your cholesterol and triglyceride levels. 1. Overloading on high triglyceride foods. Many keto enthusiasts consume high triglyceride food like processed meats and excessive dairy, thinking they are keto-friendly. This can lead to a buildup of triglycerides in the blood, which is counterproductive to the health goals of the ketogenic diet. Processed meats often contain hidden sugars and preservatives that further exacerbate the issue, while excessive dairy can introduce unhealthy fats. You might believe that all fats are good fats on a ketogenic diet. However, not all fats are created equal, and consuming the wrong types can have a significant impact on your triglyceride and cholesterol levels. Focus on natural fats from sources like avocado, nuts, and the best triglyceride fish oil. These provide omega-3 triglyceride benefits, which help reduce triglyceride levels fast. Additionally, consider portion control to ensure you're not overloading your system. But what's the perfect ratio of fats to keep triglycerides low? Stay tuned for the answer. 2. Skipping omega-3 fish oil triglyceride supplements. Neglecting omega-3 triglyceride supplement can cause imbalances in triglyceride digestion. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for reducing inflammation and improving heart health, but they are often overlooked in a ketogenic diet. This oversight can lead to higher triglyceride levels and an increased risk of cardiovascular issues. You might think keto alone is enough to manage your triglyceride and cholesterol level. However, without omega-3 supplementation, you're missing a key component of heart health and triglyceride management. Incorporate omega-3 fish oil triglyceride into your routine. This natural way to prevent high cholesterol and triglyceride can make a huge difference. Aim for high-quality supplements and include fatty fish like salmon in your meals. But how much omega-3 do you really need? We'll reveal that later in the video. 3. Consuming too much saturated fat. Eating too much saturated fat can explain why triglyceride levels rise in keto diet. While saturated fats are a staple in many keto-friendly foods, overconsumption can lead to an imbalance in your triglyceride and cholesterol levels. This imbalance may increase your risk of heart disease over time. You might think all fats are equally beneficial for ketosis. However, saturated fats should be consumed in moderation, as they can contribute to higher triglyceride levels if not balanced with healthier fats. Switch to healthier fat options like olive oil and fatty fish. These are part of a triglyceride-lowering diet that supports how to reduce triglyceride level in blood naturally. Additionally, consider integrating more mono or unsaturated fats and reducing processed foods. Want to know which high triglyceride diet foods to avoid entirely? Keep watching. 4. Neglecting fiber-rich triglyceride food. Many keto dieters ignore fiber, which is essential for triglyceride digestion. Fiber helps regulate blood sugar levels and can aid in reducing triglyceride levels by promoting healthy digestion and fat metabolism. Without it, your body may struggle to maintain a balance. You might think fiber isn't important on a low-carb diet. However, this misconception can lead to long-term health issues, including higher triglyceride and cholesterol levels. Add fiber-rich vegetables like broccoli and spinach to your meals. These foods can improve your cholesterol and triglyceride levels while keeping you in ketosis. Consider adding chia seeds and flax seeds for an extra fiber boost. But which specific veggies have the most impact? The answer's coming up. 5. Not tracking your macros properly. Mismanaging your fat-to-carb ratio can lead to high triglyceride levels. Without proper tracking, it's easy to consume too many unhealthy fats or not enough healthy ones, throwing off your triglyceride and cholesterol balance. You might believe that as long as you're low-carb, you're doing keto right. However, maintaining the correct macronutrient balance is critical for optimizing your health and preventing triglyceride spikes. Use a macro tracker to ensure you're not overloading on fats that raise triglycerides. This simple habit can transform how to reduce high cholesterol and triglyceride levels. Additionally, review your food choices regularly to ensure they align with your goals. Want to know the optimal macro split? We'll discuss it soon. 6. Consuming hidden sugars. Hidden sugars in keto snacks can contribute to high triglyceride levels. Many packaged keto products contain hidden sweeteners and additives that can spike insulin and triglyceride levels, undermining your progress. You might think whole keto-labeled foods are safe. However, not all products marketed as keto-friendly are truly beneficial for your health. Read labels carefully and avoid processed snacks. Opt for whole foods in your triglyceride-lowering diet. Additionally, consider making your own keto snacks to control ingredients. What are the sneaky ingredients to watch out for? We'll reveal them shortly. If you're finding these tips helpful so far, take a moment to give this video a like. Your support helps us create more content like this and reach others who want to improve their health. Let's keep going with more insights. 7. Ignoring exercise. Lack of physical activity can worsen high triglyceride levels. Exercise is a critical component of overall health, and neglecting it can lead to poor triglyceride and cholesterol levels. Even on a ketogenic diet, you might think diet alone is enough to manage triglyceride and cholesterol level. However, regular exercise is essential for maintaining a healthy balance and promoting heart health. Incorporate regular exercise, like brisk walking or strength training, to boost how to decrease the triglyceride level. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate exercise per week. But what's the best type of workout for triglyceride health? Stay tuned. If you know someone on a ketogenic diet who might be struggling with high triglyceride levels, share this video with them. Sharing could make a big difference in helping them take control of their health. Let's move on to the final tip. 8. Overlooking hydration. Dehydration can negatively impact triglyceride digestion. When your body is dehydrated, it struggles to metabolize fats effectively, which can lead to higher triglyceride levels and poor overall health. You might think hydration isn't connected to triglyceride levels. However, staying hydrated is crucial for optimal metabolic function and triglyceride management. Drink plenty of water and consider adding electrolytes to your routine. This supports how to reduce triglyceride level in blood naturally. Additionally, try drinking water before meals to aid digestion. But how much water is enough? We'll share the answer at the end. Now that we've explored the common pitfalls of managing triglycerides on a ketogenic diet, it's time to revisit the burning questions we posed throughout the video. From understanding the ideal fat ratios to uncovering the best workouts for triglyceride health, we've got the answers you've been waiting for. Let's dive into these key takeaways to solidify your understanding and help you take actionable steps toward optimizing your triglyceride and cholesterol levels. 1. What's the perfect ratio of fats to keep triglycerides low? The ideal fat ratio on a ketogenic diet involves prioritizing natural fats like avocado, nuts, and omega-3 rich sources such as fatty fish. Limit processed meats and excessive dairy, which can spike triglyceride levels. Aim for a balance of healthy fats while maintaining portion control to support triglyceride lowering. 2. How much omega-3 do you really need? To lower triglycerides, aim for 1,000 to 2,000 milligrams of omega-3 daily through supplements or fatty fish like salmon and mackerel. These help reduce inflammation and balance triglyceride and cholesterol levels effectively. 3. Which high triglyceride diet foods should you avoid entirely? Avoid trans fats, fried foods, and overly processed snacks. Replace them with healthier fats like olive oil, fatty fish, and nuts. These choices align with a triglyceride-lowering diet and support better heart health. If you're passionate about improving your health and want more tips like these, don't forget to subscribe to HealthFlex. Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest health and wellness insights. Let's keep building a healthier you together. 4. Which specific veggies have the most impact? Vegetables like broccoli, spinach, kale, and Brussels sprouts are rich in fiber and low in carbs, making them perfect for improving triglyceride digestion and supporting overall metabolic health. 5. What's the optimal macro split? A good starting point is 70% healthy fats, 20% protein, and 10% carbs. Adjust these ratios based on your individual needs and monitor triglyceride and cholesterol levels regularly to ensure balance. 6. What are the sneaky ingredients to watch out for? Look out for hidden sugars like maltitol, sorbitol, and dextrose in keto-labeled snacks. These can spike insulin and triglyceride levels. Opt for whole foods or make your own snacks to avoid these pitfalls. 7. What's the best type of workout for triglyceride health? Cardiovascular exercises like brisk walking, cycling, or swimming are excellent for lowering triglycerides. Combine them with strength training for improved metabolic health and better fat utilization. 8. How much water is enough? Aim for at least 8 to 10 cups of water daily, or more if you're active or living in a hot climate. Adding electrolytes can enhance hydration and support triglyceride digestion. If you found this video helpful, comment below with your experience or questions about triglycerides and keto. If you've learned something valuable today about managing triglycerides on a ketogenic diet, you'll definitely want to dive deeper into the science behind triglycerides. Our video, How to Change Triglyceride in Fuel, Surprising Science, takes this conversation to the next level. Curious about how triglycerides impact not just your body but also other fascinating aspects of health? This video uncovers surprising connections and practical strategies you've likely never heard before. Watch it now and discover how understanding triglycerides on a deeper level can transform not just your heart health but your overall well-being. Click over and take the next step in your health journey.